I've been exploring the McDonald's mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the McDonald's mobile app. So what does the McDonald's app actually offer? At its core, the app is designed to make it easier and quicker to get your McDonald's fix, whether you're craving a burger, fries, coffee, or just want to check for the closest location. You can place orders for pickup or delivery, skipping a line entirely, and browse the full menu with images, detailed item descriptions, and calories up front. The app also packs in some exclusive deals that you can't get at the counter, like daily discounts or buy one get one free offers, which can genuinely save you money if you visit McDonald's fairly often. On the positive side, I found the ordering process pretty straightforward. You select your items, customize them, then choose whether you want to pick them up, have them delivered, or even opt for curbside. The interface is clean and relatively easy to navigate, and payment options are modern: Apple Pay, credit cards, and even gift cards. I also enjoyed the loyalty program, where you rack up points for every purchase. It's actually kind of fun seeing your points build up and then cashing them in for free food after just a few visits. That being said, there are a few negatives worth mentioning. First, the app does have a tendency to be a bit glitchy, especially during the busiest hours. Sometimes deals don't load or the location services can be hit or miss, which isn't ideal if you're in a rush or don't want to drive out of your way. I've had a couple of orders mysteriously disappear before checkout, which can be frustrating. Also, not all McDonald's locations are on board with every feature. Some restaurants don't offer curbside or may be slow processing mobile orders, so your experience really depends on the store. One thing that's sort of a double-edged sword is the frequency of notifications. On the plus side, you'll never miss a deal because the app will ping you as soon as new offers drop. But if you're not careful with your notification settings, it can get pretty spammy and distracting for some folks. All in all, I think the McDonald's app is genuinely useful if you're a frequent customer. The savings can add up, ordering is simple when it works right, and the loyalty program is a nice bonus. However, it's not seamless. Occasional glitches and inconsistencies between locations do mean you might encounter some hiccups now and then. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.